1. The installation of lock body. The lock body is different for inside outside direction, and the side with arrow should be installed towards outside. Fix the lock body with 2 screws. 2. The installation of cylinder. The cylinder should be installed towards to outdoor side, and fix it by screws. Then check if the function of cylinder is normal after installation. 3. The installation of 𝘰𝑗𝑡𝘠 level handle plate. Firstly, install the connection bar. Inset the big square bar and small square bar into the lock body from outdoor side. Attention, the 2 arrows directions on the lock body must be aligned well. Connect the wires and make outdoor level handle plate fit with surface of door. Inset the other square bar into lock body from indoor side. Connect the wires to the indoor level handle plate. Attention, the lock knob shall be installed vertically. After installation, fix the 𝘰𝑗𝑡𝘠 cover plates by 2 screws, and check if the handle works well. 4. The installation of battery and decorative plate. After installation of 4 batteries, there shall be sound of locking and sound of motor working. If it's working normally after checking, then install the cover plate of lock body and battery cover. 5. Functional inspection. The inspection of functional debug card. The door can be opened by indoor handle anytime. The door cannot be opened by outdoor handle only. The door can be opened by outdoor handle by using the card. The inspection of key. Rotate the lock cover to expose the cylinder. The door can be opened by the key anytime. Rotate the lock cover to hide the cylinder.